Every evening I'm drowning again at the bottom of the glass. There's a wound in my soul that no plaster can fix. Everybody texts how are you, but I stay silent in stories. 'Cause if I tell the truth, nobody's gonna handle it, bro. She said you're mine, then disappeared in the night. Left only the smell of her perfume and the keys. I don't cry, I don't call, I don't send stupid hey. I just pour another one and think, well, fuck it anyway. And if I'm not the one for everyone and not the one for you, then I'll get a dog, I'll get a dog. I'm not a saint, and for a dog I'll be the right one. He won't ask where I was or with whom. I'll get a dog, I'll get a dog. He'll wag his tail and it won't feel so empty at home. I'll get a dog. Mom calls son, when are you gonna stop being alone? I tell her soon, Mom, I'm almost ready, Mom. But I'm sitting in the kitchen with cutlets and instant noodles, thinking maybe a dog is better than all this drama again. He won't be jealous, won't ask where have you been, won't say you're cold, won't say you've changed. He'll just lie down by my feet when I come home drunk and understand everything without words. That's how our brothers are. And if I'm not the one for everyone and not the one for you, then I'll get a dog, I'll get a dog. Since I'm not a saint, and for a dog I'll be the right one. He won't ask where I was or with whom. I'll get a dog, I'll get a dog. He'll wag his tail and it won't feel so empty at home. I'll get a dog. Say sorry, and I'll just smile and say it's all good. I don't cry anymore, 'cause now I have someone